How to turn your history on or off on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using REDnote and want to take control activity of your history, then you've come to the right place. Whether you want to keep track of your action or prefer more privacy, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your history on or off on the REDnote app. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your REDnote app and make sure you're logged into your account, because we'll need to access your settings, and if you're not already, just make sure to log in. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. On this, you'll land on your profile page, and now just tap on the settings icon. And once you tap on the settings, you will be taken to the settings page. All you have to do now is tap on the privacy settings. Once you land here, as you can see, there is no history option available on the privacy settings, so you'll just have to go back and head over to general settings. Now here, if you scroll down, you'll find the history section. When enabled, the REDnote app won't save your browsing history. It's kind of counterintuitive, but when this is toggled on, this feature will show you 1000 notes which you have recently viewed. So if you have turned this on, it won't save your browsing history. And when this is turned off, the feature will show you 1000 notes that you have recently viewed. So that's how you access the history control on the REDnote app. I hope you've found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.